Welcome to the coast of northern Sonoma County. It is early spring, and the sky stays foggy until the afternoon. The springtime seas are choppy as strong winds push from the northwest. Walking along the bluff, we see some showy monocots peeking out from behind boulders. Getting closer, we realize these charismatic flowers are those of death camas, Toxicoscordion fremontii. If you don't recognize the name Toxicoscordion, it may help to know it was formerly called Zygodinus, a genus that was split into 5 separate genera based on genetic, chromosomal, geographic, and morphological data. Toxicoscordion is a member of the Melanthiaceae family, the false hellebore family. Like many monocots, members of the Melanthiaceae have 6 perianth parts, 6 stamens, 3 styles, and a 3-chambered ovary. California is home to 6 genera in the Melanthiaceae family, including Trillium, Veratrum, Xerophyllum, and Steinanthium. Toxicoscordion is distinguished from other genera of the family by its linear leaves, few of which are cauline, and white to yellow perianth parts. In California, Toxicoscordion fremontii occurs predominantly along the California coast and in western mountain ranges from San Diego to the Oregon border. It is one of 6 California species, which are distributed throughout the entire state. Toxicoscordion species have either a panicle or a raceme inflorescence. Toxicoscordion fremontii can have either type. Here we see a Toxicoscordion fremontii with a raceme, which is an unbranched inflorescence in which flowers are borne on pedicels. Here is the same species with a panicle, a branched inflorescence. An important feature used to identify Toxicoscordion fremontii from other species is whether the stamens are longer or shorter than the perianth parts. In Toxicoscordion fremontii, the stamens are smaller than the perianth parts. And the stamens are longer than the perianth parts in Toxicoscordion venenosum variety venenosum. The perianth of Toxicoscordion fremontii is described as rotate, meaning wheel or saucer shaped. Flowers with this floral form usually have a short or non-existent tube and a spreading limb. For perspective on the degree of floral expansion and petal fusion represented by the rotate corolla of Toxicoscordion fremontii, the urn-shaped corolla of Vaccinium ovatum growing nearby provides a stark contrast. The length of the floral bract seen here is another character used to distinguish between species. Toxicoscordion fremontii has bracts between 5 to 50 millimeters long. The name Toxicoscordion means poisonous garlic and refers to the bulb that is toxic to livestock and humans. These properties are a reminder to leave wild plants in the ground and to only dig up bulbs growing in your garden. Thanks for watching and learning more about the spring wildflowers of California.